So just thought I'd catch up with Taylor, T. Jackson Sons, right with the Massey Ferguson 7499 and the Pottinger Trailed mower. We're just getting some grass knocked off here for round baling. I believe this is third cut grass. As always, give me a like, give me a share. I appreciate the love. Thank you.